Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, welcome to the class of Introduction to Logic and Critical Thinking. Dear students, now we are going to wind up our course. So let's take a bird's eye view of what is logic actually. Logic is the disciplined study of principles and methods that are used to distinguish correct reasoning from incorrect reasoning. It investigates how conclusions should properly follow the premises, how evidence supports claims, and how arguments can be evaluated for validity, soundness, and coherence. Logic establishes rules for thinking clearly, preventing us from being misled by vague language, emotional manipulation, or flawed assumptions. It encourages structured thinking where ideas are arranged systematically and conclusions are justified with strong reasons. For instance, consider the classic deductive argument that all employees in the finance department must complete annual training. Maria is an employee in the finance department, therefore, Maria must complete the annual training. This argument is logically valid because the conclusion necessarily follows from the premises. On the other hand, the argument that Maria works hard so she should be promoted lacks logical support unless additional premises justify the conclusion. Now, through such examples, logic teaches us how to assess whether reasoning is complete, relevant, and well supported. Understanding what logic is involves recognizing the difference between deductive and inductive reasoning. Deductive logic guarantees truth given true premises, while inductive logic deals with the probabilities and generalizations based on observations. For example, the inductive argument that most customers who respond to our survey are satisfied, therefore, most customers overall are likely satisfied, does not guarantee truth, but it provides a reasonable probability. Logic basically helps us to judge the strength of such reasoning and avoid exaggerating the certainty of conclusions. The study of logic also includes formal logic, which focuses on evaluating arguments in everyday language, detecting fallacies, and improving reasoning in ordinary situations, skills essential for both academic and professional environments. For business students, the importance of studying logic cannot be overstated. The business world is driven by data, analysis, strategic planning, and decision making under uncertainty, all of which require rigorous kind of reasoning. Now, business decisions often involve large sums of money, complex risks, competing interests, and long term consequences. Without logical thinking, these decisions can easily become clouded by biases, emotions, or incomplete information. For example, a manager might assume that because sales increased last month, the same trend will continue indefinitely. Now, this is a logical fallacy known as history generalization. Logic basically teaches students to examine broader evidence, consider alternative explanations, and understand the limitations in data. Similarly, a marketing team might base a decision on assumptions such as customers prefer high priced products because expensive equals high quality without logically analyzing the relationship between price and perceived value across different market segments. Logical thinking actually ensures that such assumptions are tested, not blindly accepted. Studying logic, dear students, basically also equips business students with the tools to make sound financial decisions. In finance, even small reasoning errors produce disastrous results. Now, logical skills allow students to critically evaluate financial statements, investment proposals, and risk assessments. For instance, when analyzing an investment opportunity, a logically trained mind will separate relevant variables such as cash flow, market conditions, and interest rates from irrelevant ones such as personal preferences or unfounded optimism. A business student who has studied logic will also be cautious of false cause fallacies, such as assuming that a past performance of a stock causes its future growth, when in reality many external factors influence markets. Furthermore, logic is indispensable for communication and persuasion in the business environment. Every business professional must regularly present ideas, justify decisions, negotiate arguments, and communicate recommendations. Logic basically enhances the ability to construct strong, persuasive arguments that are clear, coherent, and free from fallacies. For example, an entrepreneur pitching to investors must provide logical premises, market research, financial projections, and customer needs, and show how these premises uh, support the conclusion that the business is worth funding. If the pitch is full of unsupported claims or kind of arguments that are hollow in nature, the thing is that the other person will not be able to understand that what this business is actually all about. Now, since I have, just like I have told you, that a business student who has studied logic will also be cautious of false cause fallacies, such as assuming the stock's past performance causes future growth, when in reality there may be some certain other factors as well. The thing is, logic basically sharpens our strategic thinking. Business strategy requires evaluating multiple scenarios, weighing potential outcomes, predicting competitor behavior, and making informed decisions about resource allocation. Logical reasoning helps students analyze these scenarios systematically rather than relying on the intuition alone. Consider a company deciding whether to enter a new market. A logical approach will include identifying assumptions, evaluating evidence, examining the risks, considering alternative strategies, and drawing conclusions based on sound reasoning. Now, without logic, decision making may follow trend blindly, fall into groupthink, or ignore important data, resulting in strategic failure. Logical thinking, therefore, provides a reliable foundation for long-term planning and sustainable success. Another major application of the logic lies in problem solving. Businesses face problems constantly in the form of operational delays, quality issues, low productivity, dissatisfied customers, or even ethical dilemmas. Logic promotes a structured approach known as the root cause analysis, where the problems are broken down into smaller parts and each part is examined logically to determine the underlying cause. For example, if a manufacturing firm notices an increase in the defective products, a logical thinker will avoid jumping to conclusions like employees are careless. Instead, they will evaluate the evidence. Are the machines properly maintained? Is the training adequate? Are materials defective? By identifying the real cause logically, the company can implement effective solutions rather than wasting the resources on irrelevant actions. Now, the applications of logic extend further into domain of human resource management and leadership as well. It is very interesting to see that HR professionals must make decisions about recruitment, promotions, trainings, and conflict resolutions. Logical thinking helps them evaluate candidates based on the objective criteria, ensuring fairness and reducing bias. For example, relying on stereotypes such as younger workers adapt better to technology demonstrates flawed reasoning, whereas using evidence that technical assessments, simulations, and performance data reflects logical evaluation. Leadership also requires logical reasoning. Yes, it does, because the leaders must justify their decisions, inspire truth, and guide teams through challenges. Leaders who apply logic avoid impulsive decisions, consider the broader consequences of their actions, and communicate their reasoning clearly to others. Now, logic also matters profoundly in day to day life. People encounter countless situations where decisions must be made quickly and wisely, from choosing which news to trust to evaluating medical advice to resolving disputes with the family or colleagues. Logic basically teaches us to examine evidence, ask critical questions, and avoid being misled by appearance or emotions. For instance, if someone sees a headline claiming that eating one type of food cures all illnesses, logic prompts skepticism. Like, what is the source? Is the evidence credible? Are the claims real or exaggerated? Now, without logic, individuals are more susceptible to misinformation, manipulation, and rash judgments. Logical thinking, therefore, acts as a mental safeguard, helping individuals navigate a world filled with thousands of persuasive messages, competitive opinions, and complex problems. In addition to HRM and leadership, in interpersonal relationships as well, logic enhances communication, reduces misunderstanding, and improves conflict resolution. When disagreements occur, logical thinking encourages individuals to focus on the arguments rather than attacking the person, a principle that avoids the ad hominem fallacy. For example, instead of saying that you always overreact, a logically minded person would identify the specific issue and examine the facts. Like, we seem to have a different interpretations of this situation. Let's look at the information together. Now, such reasoning actually fosters respect, cooperation, and mutual understanding. Logic also helps individuals identify when emotions cloud judgment, prompting them to pause, reflect, and make decisions based on the reason rather than impulse. Another important aspect that the logic cultivates are the intellectual virtues that qualify intellectual virtues. These are the qualities that actually strengthen the character and improve lifelong learning. These include open mindedness, intellectual humility, curiosity, fairness, and a commitment to truth. Logical thinkers understand that they can be wrong, and they are willing to revise their beliefs when presented with stronger evidence. For example, a person may strongly believe that working long hours always increases productivity, but careful logical analysis may reveal that burnout and diminishing returns actually reduce output. Now, recognizing such insights require humility, a willingness to question one's assumptions, and the courage to change one's perspective. In this sense, logic is not merely a tool for academic analysis, but a guide for personal growth and self improvement. Now, dear students, finally, the value of studying logic becomes even more important and more apparent as well in our important modern information driven society. Social media, digital marketing, political campaigning, and online discourse frequently rely on persuasive techniques that exploit, you know, uh, different types of things and causes emotional triggers, cognitive biases, and faulty reasoning. Logical training basically enables individuals to recognize fallacies such as false equivalence, like two unrelated things treated as equals, slippery slope, and others. For example, you may see and come across a particular social media post where you may find that the information appears to be very appealing, but the thing is that there is no source mentioned. Logic is therefore not only a subject learned in the classroom, it is a lifelong skill that strengthens both the mind and the character. Thank you.